So guys, in this video we're gonna be talking about Dex Arbitrage opportunity. Okay, so this particular Dex Arbitrage opportunity which I just found here is very profitable. So I'm gonna be taking you guys on step by step on how you can actually use this Dex Arbitrage opportunity to make a whole lot of money from the market. Also remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, what I'm sharing with you guys here is actually how I've been using to make money in the crypto market. And if you follow step by step on how, which I'm gonna be sharing with you guys here, you're gonna be getting the same result. And also make sure you join our free Telegram group. The link is down below this video. And if you are just a new person in the crypto space, you want to learn how you can actually use all of this opportunity, both the arbitrage, Dex, future, spot, and arbitrage, to make money in the market, you can join my class. I have a class where I teach you step by step on a real life platform arbitrage, so you can use it and start making money from the market. Okay, first of all, what we need to do, for those of you that doesn't understand what Dex Arbitrage is all about, so what we are gonna be doing is to ask ChatGPT what is. Okay, so I'm gonna be saying, hello, what is Dex Arbitrage trading? Okay, so this is the first thing you will really gonna be looking after, so it can analyze and tell us what actually Dex Arbitrage is all about before we can go ahead and before I can go ahead and show you the opportunity right away. So this is ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is telling us that Dex arbitrage trading is a strategy where traders buy cryptocurrency cheaper on one decentralized, remember, it's a decentralized exchange like Phantom, Trust Wallet, and all of that. Okay, so exchange, and quickly sell it higher on another desk to make profit from the price difference. So Dex mean decentralized exchange like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or Sushi Swap, which I said earlier. Okay, so you can see now, it now gives us an example, very simple example. You say on example, on one Dex which is decentralized, one Ethereum is trading at $2,500. On another Dex, one Ethereum is also sold for 2,530 naira. So your profit here is 30 naira. Okay, an arbitrage buys ETH at 2,005 and sell at 2,030 almost instantly. Okay, this is instantly. That is the reason why you need to join my VIP. Okay, if you join my VIP, I'm gonna be performing this trade live, so you can see how I carry it out on Phantom Wallet and Trust Wallet. You can actually do it in Binance/Phantom. Okay, one of them will have a place where the profit is. Okay, so you can see it now give us the difference. Number one, cross Dex arbitrage, buy on one Dex and sell an order. Buy example, buy BTC on PancakeSwap, sell on Uniswap. So it went ahead to explain all of this to all. This is how it actually works. So one of the fastest way you can do this is on Dexscrener. So once you are in Dexscrener, all these things is what you need to put in place. You need to put the minimum and the max, and make sure you are in Solana Network. Okay, because that's where mostly the opportunity comes from. Okay, so let's go ahead and use all these things. Make sure you have said you are in 6 hours time frame. Is very important. Okay, so right now, once you have set your account, you are in 6 hours time frame and on Solana Network. So the next thing which we're gonna be doing is to select one of these particular token to perform this arbitrage. So you can see the first one, which is OSA. Okay, OSA is one of the ones which we're really gonna be using right away now. So this is actually the coin which we're gonna be needing for this arbitrage. The important thing which you really need to make sure you look after before you start performing this arbitrage is called the liquidity. Okay, the liquidity. Once you make sure the liquidity is being locked, okay, before you perform. So once you have copied the address, the next thing is to come over to your phantom wallet. Okay, once you are in your phantom wallet, this is where the trades are being performed. You have copied your wallet, you come over to this place to paste the address and find the coin. Okay, now you can now go to other exchange where you can find this coin very low, and you come over to this place to buy them. This is very, very profitable, and this is one of the fastest way which you can use to make some profit from the market. So if you want to learn step by step on how to go about this, make sure you join our VIP group, which costs 30 USDT. Once you join, I'm gonna be taking you step by step on live trade, how to go about this in a real life. Okay, thank you.